copywriting everyone that has even a small clip, and I didn't give them the good go to do it. They're just doing it without my permission. Oh man, I just went through my comments again on that supported creator on Twitter. It's just like,
oh my god,
bro.
Dude. You know, I had the same problem, but like, because I made a joke out of it, I was like, "Give me money, use this code," and people were like,
yeah, that's
money?
a little, yeah, that's a little. I'm not gonna lie, Scythe. You gotta be. No. I mean, see, this is me being for real. Like, the only person who can literally ask for money is Tim, because it's his brand.
Yeah.
I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, he branded.
He branded.
He pretty much branded. He
Great play, by the way.
I mean,
branded,
the thing
give
is,
me
like,
money,
people, pretty
donate.
good brand. People have a hard time seeing. It's not that they don't see the sarcasm. It's just that they're so focused on looking at the negative that they just look past any sense of like, oh, this is a sarcastic comment or this is a joke.
I mean,
and you didn't even make a joke out of it. People were just.
Oh, mine was just literally just informing people, and I got roasted on it.
Yeah, dude, you got.
I'm dead. Like, you're trying to be more successful than you already are? I can't believe you won't just settle down and just sit down and let other people make some money,
yeah,
dude.
Would you let, bro? Like, the amount of people who are like, Ninja makes enough, other people deserve it more. It's like, dude, what do you mean deserve it more?
Is this guy coming up here? Listen, dude, I freaking saved you. Don't hit me. What? Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, dude. It don't stop. You already know, dude. The loop-de-loop, backwards, 1080, YY. Get your. Oh my god! No way! What? Oh! 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 He got flatlined, boy! Oh!
Where the brothers at, though? Come here, boy! What the hell, brother? Oh! Come here, boy! Let's go! We playing Grand Theft Auto out here, son. Let's go!
I think he's in a tournament or some shit. Alright, GG, man. Shit. Oh, shit.
Let's see.
All right, he's in it too.
He's
Yeah,
double
yeah,
ramped down, man.
Yeah, bro. Just spray him for me, bro. Promise me one thing. If I die here,
What's that?
If I die here, you win this game.
Say no more. I got you, baby. Right now.
Oh, where is he? Yes! Let's go!
Got you, baby. It's right now.
Oh! Where is he? Yo! Yes! Oh my god!
There he is. It's 311 getting ready to
Ah!
Got him!
Come on, man. Yo, Dave, what the hell? What the brother? How long was that a short stream, bro? Daquan with the host, man. Hold up, bro. Hey, yo, Daquan. I want you to look at something. Eat my ass, bitch. Gotcha. That's what you thought. You thought I was really gonna show you something? Nah, buddy. Look at that ass. You know what I'm saying?
This is the speed of the normal hard drive, right? Like, here's a normal hard drive you have in your thing, right? Ready? Watch this. So here's a normal hard drive speed. Ready? Watch. Here's a normal hard drive speed. Ready? Like, Okay, I mean, it's all right, you know, it's all right. Like, it's okay, you know? Like, it's okay, you know? Here's the speed, though, of the SSD. The 970 Pro. The NVMe M.2. Watch this. Don't blink.
We hit those.
Oh, I didn't have to do you like that, buddy, but I did.
I don't know about that one, Chief. Boom!
Steps, you know what I mean? They don't even hold hands anymore. Back in the day, I used to get the fucking most ridiculous erection just by holding a girl's hand. Nowadays, these guys are eating each other's asses. It's unfucking believable. They don't even know how to fuck. Babe, they got dirt underneath their fingernails and they're eating each other's assholes. Could you imagine what those asses are like? Unbelievable. Unconsensualized shit coming out of God knows what. Antibiotics all up in that ass. Now, you know, this is why we got the super bug. You know what I'm saying? This is why you can't go to a high school anymore without a fucking gas mask. Because all these kids are eating each other's asses right after gym class. It's a damn epidemic. It's a fucking epidemic. Listen, babe. And I'm trying to explain to them, you got to save eating ass until later on down the line when the sex life gets boring. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you and I are going to be eating each other's asses when we're like 60 years old.
Hey, partner, how you doing? Thanks for the minis, pal. I appreciate your donation. Bro, I dodged that bitch in real life, dude. Bro. Oh my god, I thought those were freaking...
Oh, I love Bloom. I love Bloom. Give me more of it. Oh my god, what a fucking game.
You know the trick to get in the any 1x1?
What?
Alright, watch, you ready?
Sure.
Come here. Alright. So I'm gonna place this up here.
Okay.
And as I break your pyramid, you're gonna try to replace it, okay?
Okay, ready?
Alright, tell me when you're ready. Yep.
Ready.
See?
Oh,
I'm
wow.
behind you. Yeah, you can break through both walls and pyramids.
How?
You just stand, you box yourself like this, like in a corner. Come here. Like a corner, and then you just stand right here and just pickaxe straight down, and you
All right,
start
let me try.
teleporting
Ready?
through everything. I don't have mats. Let me.
Oh, okay. Never mind. We'll do it later.
Let me. Okay.
Let's gear up. Damn, that's crazy.
The wall. The guy in there. I actually can't believe it. The guy in there. There's been a guy in there the whole time, I bet.
No!